Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Evernote email capture to organize receipts faster step by step clearly. Open the Evernote app or website. Log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Navigate to the settings menu. Locate the option for email capture settings. Select Enable Email Capture. You will see an email address provided by Evernote. Copy this email address for later use. Open your email client of choice. Compose a new email. In the field, paste the Evernote email address you just copied. In the subject line, clearly label the email with a relevant title such as receipt or expense. Attach the receipt file to the email. You can also add any necessary notes or details in the body of the email. Choose the desired notebook in the settings if you want to specify where the receipts will be saved. Send the email. Return to Evernote to confirm that the receipt has been captured in your designated notebook. Review the captured receipt to ensure all details are accurate. Repeat this process each time you want to organize a new receipt. Now, you have a streamlined method to capture and organize your receipts efficiently using Evernote. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.